Hey everyone, this is Cynthia. So I know that as we're getting closer to the end of the year, you may be feeling frustrated, overwhelmed. There's a lot of things you're trying to accomplish before the end of the year. If you're into astrology, we do have a Mercury retrograde going on at the moment. This can easily be a reason behind some delays, frustrations that things aren't being done on time, or that they're taking longer than what you want them to. What I always suggest during this time is just try to be persistent in what you feel you can accomplish. And I know we only got about a week left. It doesn't help when there's holidays around. So you may feel if you got any tasks or projects that need to be dealt with or taken care of, that you're more limited in time. But it's all about being, organized, planning and organizing to get as much done as you can. There is still time. There is still time to accomplish so much. As we do get closer into the new year, there will be more of a pace picking up. And so it's like steady progress brings great results. And you're going to notice that as you do get into the new year, that you're going to start to feel like things are slowly starting to get on track. And as frustrating as it is, with only a few days left and trying to bring as much together as you can at this moment, that it may not get all completed in the timing and the time you want it to. But as you get into the month of January, it just seems like everything starts to come together. And the pieces of the puzzle form more easily and the picture starts to become more clear. I understand that it could be a little agitating and frustrating that, maybe you want to accomplish everything before the end of the year. And reality is you're not going to be able to do that all at once. So come with the form of being a bit more realistic, that take your biggest priority of projects, of tasks that need full on attention right now. Focus your energy with that. And anything else that could set off a little more time, or that you don't need to have everything done exactly by the end of the year, but into the new year, or you can buy yourself a little bit more time as you go into the month of January. It's actually much better because you are much more organized. You have everything more in focus. And you probably will be surprised that as you're trying to really push to accomplish everything that you can for what's left of this month, that as you go into the new year and into the month of January, as you're feeling like it's all coming together, but now I'm feeling more frustrated that I got more ideas, more projects, more tasks. So this could get you a little bit disorganized. So just be aware you're going to have the energy to get it going, to get it done, and to get it done within a reasonable amount of time. You just need to kind of get more organized and not feel so overwhelmed and frustrated that too much may be thrown at you, or that you are taking on more than what you should for the time being, that you need to accomplish everything in this period of time. As we get into the month of January, things start to slow down, but that gives you the ability to get more centered and focused. Just by taking on that as more of a priority, you'll start to feel like you can accomplish and complete anything that you need to, and it just feels like everything will start coming together for you. Stay tuned, more going on. Hang in there as we, get through the holidays, whether you're doing this with family, friends, or even if you're on your own. There's a lot that's going to be happening, and that will be going on. You'll be busy, and you will stay busy, but it might be something that helps you kind of get through the time. See you soon.